Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information. In which language was the Quran revealed? Your options are option A, Arabic, or option B, Persian. The right answer is option A, Arabic. What is the name of the first surah of the Holy Quran? Your options are option A, Surah Al-Fatiha, or option B, Surah Al-Baqarah. The right answer is option A, Surah Al-Fatiha. What is the meaning of Al-Fatiha? Your options are option A, the cow, or option B, the opening. The right answer is option B, the opening. What will be the spoken language in paradise? Your options are option A, native language, or option B, Arabic. The right answer is option B, the Arabic. What is the meaning of da'wah? Your options are option A, to invite people towards worshipping Allah alone, option B, to invite people for salah. The right answer is option A, to invite people towards worshipping Allah alone. What was the cause of disagreement between different clans of Quraysh at the time of rebuilding the Kaaba? Your options are option A, putting the black stone in its place, or option B, the removing the idols. Option A. The right answer is option A, putting the black stone in its place. On which date did the Ark of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam anchor on Mount Judi? Your options are option A, 10th of Muharram, or option B, 10th of Ramadan. The right answer is option A, 10th of Muharram. What is the meaning of Al-Mateen, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, believer, or option B, the firm. The right answer is option B, the firm. What is the meaning of Al-Wali, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, trusted one, or option B, the protecting associate? The right answer is option B, the protecting associate. Which group claims Shuaib alayhi salam as their chief prophet? Your options are option A, Druze, or option B, Thamud. The right answer is option A, Druze. Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.